Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing an order that I ordered from Temu. This is my first time ordering from them, even though I feel like they are Shein's competition. I keep saying that. I keep telling everyone that Temu is Shein's competition. Okay, Shein has finally gotten competition from somewhere.
Gotta show the straw when we're ballin'. 20 of the spies are coolin'. When we let it slide, is it cool?
What did I order? I ordered some binders because I'm going to customize some binders and I'm going to put them up on the website for sale. Once I customize them, I will put up the pictures so you guys can see them, or I might make a video showing you guys what they look like. But I just haven't really decided what I want it to be as yet. I'm kind of leaning towards saving challenges and a personal binder, like for the girls, you know, like just a binder that's, you know, personal things that we all get all the time, like nails, hair, stuff like that. So I'm thinking those are the two that I'm stuck between right now, because I have two different types of binders in here. I will show you guys the types that I have, and no, let me just unbox this thing. That's what the video is. Where am I? What am I talking about? So I'm just gonna cut right in because I don't need the package. By the way, I ordered like 20. I wanted to start with 20. I didn't really go too crazy because I didn't really know like what the quality was gonna be like, if they were going to sell. So I decided to start with 20, and then based on how it goes on my website, then I might order some more. But I think 20 is a good starting point. But oh my god, let me move the line. Guys, how the hell did they fit 20 in this package? Why didn't they use a box? This is crazy to me. Anyways, so we have a regular pink. You guys know I was gonna do like a pink. Y'all already know. Whoops. Y'all should have already known that I was gonna do a pink. So now I just have to come up with a design. Like, how do I want to design this? You know, I might have to come up with a cute design for this, for the pink one. But this is one. I bought two types, so it should be 10 of these. Should be 10. This is what, 1 2 3 4 5. Let me put them over here. 1, this is 3 4 5 6. Oh my god, my table is just too small. And then this is the other type. It's like clear and it has like a pink. It's clear and pink. I think it was so cute, so I ordered it. You know, I think it's okay. So these I'm going to design my personal binder with one of these, so you guys could see like what it's gonna look like. But eventually you'll know because I'm gonna post them up on the website. But I seem like, me personally, I realized that I like the clear ones better, to be honest. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh my god, this is what this is. 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh my god. And then here we go. Why this one all messed up like that? Okay. And this is a pack of stickers that I order. I normally just put these stickers in packages when I'm packing them. I normally give someone like 1 or 2 stickers. But yeah, guys, these are the binders. These are the plastic ones, and these are the regular ones. So I'm thinking this one to be the personal binder and this one to be the saving challenges is what I'm thinking. I haven't quite, like I said, I haven't quite made up my mind as yet. Oh my god, guys, help me out. What do you think that you guys will buy? Because of course I'm putting it on my website for sale. Would you buy, because I was thinking about doing like bills, high priority and stuff like that, but I'm thinking, I was like, everyone's situation is different. So it's like, how do I come up with categories that's gonna fit everyone's situation, you know, when it comes to high priority, bills, those type binders. So that's why I'm kind of leaning towards a personal binder for, like, you know, the ladies, and I'm kind of leaning towards the saving challenge binder because, you know, saving challenge is saving challenge, personal is a personal, you know, like it's not really that serious as the high priority and the bills, because high priority and bills goes by situation. So that's why I'm kind of torn between what two categories I'm going to do for the binders to get them on the website. So what I want y'all to do is I want you guys to comment below and let me know if you think the personal binder and the savings challenge binder works better because of the fact that, you know, they're like general stuff, like it don't really go by situation. So let me know, guys, because I'm kind of stuck between, like, I don't know which one to go with. I love the binders. I feel like these ones, probably when I put them together, they'll start to look like how I want them to. It's like, I love the pink, but I'm not really crazy over this. Like, why is it like they should definitely have put these in boxes? Because look how they're twisted and turning. Listen, I'm about to call them up. I gotta get some type of discount or something, because all these binders are twisted and turned. Like, y'all should have put them in a box. Why would y'all put them in a big package like they were closed? Who packed this thing? So anyways, when I decorate and everything, I'll see how it comes together, and then if they're not like straightening out and not looking like how I want them to look, I'm definitely gonna send them back. So the pink ones look fine so far. I don't really see any fault with the pink ones, like the full pink, but the clear ones is where I'm a little bit iffy. Like, now I'm like, this pink spray, is it going to stay? Is it something that's going to scratch off? Like, you know, now I'm thinking about it. Do I want to send these back? Like I said, I think I should probably, you know, design one first and see how it all works out and then make a decision. But I just wanted to come on here and get you guys' opinion. I want y'all to tell me in the comment section, what binder do you think you are most likely to purchase when I put these up on my channel? Are you most likely to purchase a savings challenge binder and a personal? Or did you want me to do something more like an all-in-one binder, like bills, savings, you know, 8-9 categories in one, and then probably saving challenges in the other? Guys, I need your help. I need your opinions. Let me know in the comment section below. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. It's really short. That's all I wanted to do. And I will see you guys in the next one.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that cap